What's going on, people? This is Jeremiah. You're watching the Vision Jeremiah channel, and today I have another Autodesk Maya tutorial for you. In this tutorial, we will cover how to create a shatter effect within Autodesk Maya. Go ahead and get started there. Move this out my way. All right. Now, if you already have your scene set up, I'm not gonna, model a scene or nothing like that because I tried to. It's on my last attempt recording, and it just didn't work out for me right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a basic object here. Go ahead and zoom in here right fast. I'm going to move this around a little bit, bring up my that, like that. Go ahead and move this down. Then bring it up. That's looking alright. Give it some value, some scales. I probably don't even need that like that. 6, 5. Let's go with 10. That's looking fine. It's no problem. Go ahead and turn that on. Alright. Now I have my basic simple cube here, and in order for your shatter effect to work, you must first delete your history and freeze transforms. So I'm going to go ahead and go to edit, delete by type, history, go to modify, freeze transforms. Now make sure that you're underneath your dynamic module, go to effects, create shatter. I'll go ahead and open up my options for that. And you get 3 tabs here. You get the option to rename your shatter effect. You got the options for your counts of shards here, your edge jackiness. That's basically when your object get cut. If you want it to be, a plain straight line, sharp cuts, or you wanted to have like some type of little crack effect to it. You get your random C value. You get your post operation tab that allow you to add dynamics to your object there. So if I want like another object to collide with my object here, I can always give it like a rigid body and go from there, or like a soft body. Give you the option to triangulate your surface or apply interior material. It give you the option whether to keep your original object, hide it, or delete it. You see, I got mine unchecked here with the triangulate surface and apply interior material, and I'm gonna go ahead and hide my original object here. So once I like everything I like, I'll go ahead and just say shatter underscore effect. Go back, go there with that, and I'm gonna just hit create, and that should create a little shatter for you. And you can see where the pieces and all that been cracked and shattered at. Go here into my object view, my little object mode, and I'm gonna just click on one of these pieces individually, and I'll just move it out and away. Now you can see when I move it, if I didn't have that, let me go back into here. If I didn't have my edge jackiness up to about like 0.5, if I just had it like at a solid 0, my lines would have been a whole lot sharper. They just would have been, with straight lines down. But since I had that, at a 0.5 value, I have this little crack type of, effect with it, like as if something hit it and it's just and it's just cracked. It's pretty cool. This can go ahead and take you a long ways. If you like model like a city type of scene there, and you want like an alien ship to, come down and hit it. If you know how to work like the fluids within Autodesk Maya, that can also be helpful. Uh, there's tons of different ways you can go on about of achieving this type of shatter effect. You can do an nCloth effect. You can even move around the vertices. That's like another way I'm gonna go ahead and show you here. But yeah, this is like the first of the way to create like a shatter effect. Remember, you must delete history, freeze transforms, and then create your shatter effect from there. We'll go ahead and start up anew. I'll show you what I'm talking about with that thing. I'm gonna go back to here, move this, get my manipulator up. I hate when it's inside this little color. it's looking pretty cool. Alright, go ahead and give it some values again. Let's just say 10, 5, 5. Gonna start my shader mode, maybe that'll go away, and it did. It's looking pretty cool. Now this next one is just like to basically move around vertices. Go ahead and give it some little subdivision. 5, 10, 5. It's pretty cool. Now, what you can do, you can go inside my polygon module here. You can go to edit mesh and do a cut faces option. You can start cutting away from there and deleting the cuts and everything that you got, or triangulate, all that good stuff. But just for this one, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. It's like you about to create like a flag out of like the nCloth type of effect with that. I'm going in my vertices mode, and what you can do, you can, in fact, no, I'm going to go ahead and go to my faces mode. My bad. You can start deleting faces. Let me just go ahead and just roughly do this right fast. You can start deleting faces like this in a way. I'm not gonna delete those ones right there. Just start deleting faces, and as you can see, the inside of it is empty. It's not something that you want to just have like that. But ultimately, you're gonna have to turn this into like an nCloth and extrude it out, do it that way, all that good stuff. But you can go to your vertices mode and start picking the points like here, and start just messing around with them this way. And start doing it just like that. You can do it. There's one way that you can come up with that type of effect, I guess you want to say it. And then when you finish off with that, you can go back to your nDynamics module here and turn it into an nCloth. Go back to my attribute editor right fast. Go back to my nucleus. I'm just turn my gravity down to 0 so it won't be affected by nothing right now. And then click on that. You can extrude it in a way, like 0.5. You can create it. Create some very organic type of master's effect there. It's pretty cool. But yeah, there you have it. I'm Jeremiah, and if this video helped y'all out a lot, I would appreciate it if you can like it, share it, comment. There you have it. Thank you.